Students, Sacred Heart High School welcomes you. Today we will study Chapter 10, Force and Types of Force, Part 1. Force. In our day-to-day life, we do many activities such as lifting, pulling, riding a bicycle, driving vehicles, pushing a load, squeezing or bending something, etc. It is necessary to apply force for doing all these actions. A force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction or communication with another object. Whenever there is an interaction between two objects, there is force upon each of these objects. Force is applied to an object to pull it or push it in any manner. Objects cannot change their position on its own. Force is required to move an object. Force is used to change the direction of an object in motion or to stop. Force is necessary to change the shape of an object. When a force acts on an object, the object may change shape by bending, stretching or compressing. When a ball is squeezed, it changes its shape. When a spring is stretched, it changes its shape by stretching. Blacksmiths make iron tools by heating the iron bars in the furnace. After the iron bars are heated, they become soft. After they become soft, they can be given desired shape by hammering. Muscular force. The force applied with the help of muscles is called muscular force. This force results because of the action of muscles. Muscular force is required whenever the movement of body occurs. Strolling, lifting, driving a bicycle, getting up from a street, etc. requires muscular force. Mechanical force. The force applied by means of a machine is called mechanical force. In this type, the force is applied by machines. We use different machines for doing many tasks. Muscular force is used for running some machines. Example, sewing machine, bicycle. Here, bicycle is a machine, but to drive a bicycle, you have to use muscular force. There are some machines which run by using electricity or fuel. Such machines are called as automatic machines because they use mechanical force. Electric pump, washing machine, mixer are some examples of mechanical force. Gravitational force. The force applied by the earth to pull the objects towards itself is called gravitational force. Gravitational force was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. If an object is thrown upwards by applying force, it reaches a certain height and comes down. This happens because the earth pulls all the objects towards itself. Let us study about this by doing two activities. First, take a small stone and a bucket full of water. Drop the stone into the water from a height of about 20 centimeters. You will hear the sound of the stone dropping in the water. Now drop the same stone into the water from a height of about 100 centimeters. You will hear its sound again. What is the difference in the sounds in the two actions above? What can we conclude from this? When the stone was thrown from the height of about 20 centimeters, a sound was heard. Similarly, when the same stone was thrown from a height of about 100 centimeters, a sound was heard. But in the second activity, you all saw that along with the sound, the water in the bucket also came out. Means the water was splashing all across when the stone was thrown from a height of 100 centimeters. From this we can conclude that gravitational force acts on objects in a greater way when they are falling from a greater height. Let us study second activity. The actions of lifting a sack are shown in the picture. One sack looks empty, the other one is full. What difference do you notice in the way the two sacks are lifted. You will see that the gravitational force on the empty sack is less because it weighs less, whereas the gravitational force on the bigger sack is greater. In other words, the bag weighs more. From this, we can conclude that greater force must be applied to lift a greater weight. The gravitational force operates between the Sun and the planets in the solar system. Because of this, the planets revolve around the Sun. At the same time, gravity also operates between planets and their satellites. I hope you have understood this part. Thank you.